Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, what are your Coinbase transfer limits? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to see what your Coinbase transfer limits are anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers are going to pay you with crypto, but you're not sure what the limits are for withdrawing or sending. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Coinbase account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to see what your personal account transfer limits are on Coinbase, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you'll see this menu here on the left, and you want to scroll down to account limits. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show all the different limits for your account. So you can see for my particular account with bank transfers, I can use it to buy crypto, $15,000 maximum per day, $37,500 per week, or a maximum of $120,000 per month, which for me, I'm small potatoes, so that's plenty for me. Now, if you need a higher limit than that, then you can scroll down and you can check the other limits. So for example, right here, if you're going to do wire transfers, that's unlimited. If you're using your debit card, it's $5,000 per week. PayPal is definitely the smallest at $3,000 per day. Actually, no, it looks like Apple Pay and Google Pay are the smallest because it's $5,000, but that's for a whole week. As opposed to PayPal, it's $3,000 per day, and there's 7 days in a week, so that's $21,000 a week. So I don't know if this is different for for me, these limits aren't really a problem, but if you have millions and millions of dollars of crypto, I could see where this might be kind of limiting for any kind of bank transfers. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to check your transfer limits for your Coinbase account, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.